Our pharmaceutical production plant in Voronezh has been on the pharmaceutical market for more than 25 years. We use various pharmaceutical equipment that meets the requirements and standards of GMP for the production of products, unit for dehydration of aqueous solutions, and extracts in a fluidized bed apparatus, rotary tablet machines, automatic line for packaging tablets into plastic film, and foil and other high-tech machines and apparatuses. Last year our company began production of fish oil in capsules. In the production of vitamins in capsules, we needed to buy a new capsule machine, or capsuleer. This machine is used to automatically fill gelatin capsules with powders, or to form capsules of gelatin materials, and then fill them with oil or fat. In our case we produced fish oil in a soft water-soluble capsule. The chief engineer of our enterprise suggested buying a capsulator with a capacity of at least 80,000 capsules per hour. I proceeded to search for a drum dryer for soft gelatin capsules. A colleague advised me to contact the equipment manufacturers first. They provide warranty service, drawings, instructions for use, carry out installation, and installation of manufactured equipment. I followed his advice. I chose one company on the internet, which produces pharmaceutical equipment, went to their site, and wrote a letter specifying the parameters and features of the capsule maker I wanted. I didn't specify a particular machine. I wanted to see what they could offer me. 1 week later I received the reply that they did not manufacture such a machine, but would be able to design and manufacture it by the end of next year if requested. That was too long for us, so I decided to look for other equipment producers. I found a company in China on the internet, which produces equipment for the production of soft gelatin capsules. I called them and asked whether they could provide similar equipment with the required parameters. They replied that they had such a machine. The manager asked for my phone number and said she would call me back in the evening, when she checked with her company engineer about the capabilities of automatic equipment. However, she did not call in the evening. I contacted them the next day. The specialist said that she had passed the request on to the design department, and that she would contact me when she got an answer. This seemed strange to me. When should I wait for an answer? How long to wait for an answer? Absolutely no business approach to the customer. It turned out to be difficult to choose a capsule manufacturer on my own. And then I remembered that at the Forum of Producers of Equipment for the Pharmaceutical Industry in Moscow, I met a specialist who was engaged in the selection and supply of equipment for the production of medicines. I found his business card, and before contacting him I decided to check whether he really engaged in the supply of machines for the pharmaceutical industry. In order to do this I found his company's website and carefully studied the information on it. I liked that the website was up to date, with video clips of the equipment and many contacts for communication. I also noticed that the website had been around since 2003. The company had been on the equipment supply market for a long time, and that is a good reason to say that it was successful. I called the manager. He said he remembered me, and was happy to hear from me again. I told him that I was looking for a soft gelatin capsule maker. He suggested a piece of equipment that uses a liquid gelatin mass as the shell of the future capsule, and the resulting capsules are soft seamless. Using such technology, it is possible to adjust the wall thickness of the gelatin shell, the diameter of the finished shell, and the filling volume of the gelatin capsule. I agreed to consider it. The manager emailed me a passport and instructions for the equipment. He also offered to perform a turnkey delivery procedure. I liked the proposed version of the equipment and agreed it with the manager. A week later we made a contract for the delivery of the soft gelatin capsule maker. A month after signing the contract, the manager called me to tell me that the equipment was ready, and a week later made the delivery. The equipment was made of stainless steel. The machine is equipped with a container for the preparation of the gelatin mass, containers for preparing the filler solution. After the liquid gelatin mass is formed, it cools and turns into a film, which is stretched by the rollers. The film forms cells with the help of a matrix. We chose a matrix for fish oil with a non-standard shape. The same cell is formed on the right side of the machine. Then the process of dosing the fat into the capsules and sealing it takes place. The gelatin capsules are pushed out of the cells, and the rest of the mold is pulled back into the machine. The capsules go into a container for collection. Management, and I included, were pleased with the proposed soft gelatin capsule encapsulator option. I realized that I had made the right choice of a professional to supply the equipment. After I talked to a real professional, I became a little smarter myself, and learned a lot. I'm pretty sure that a good teacher is one whose words and deeds don't differ. I checked it out on my own experience.